Okay, it's Tuesday the 8th of November. We're on the Ftse 100 and it's just about 25 past 8. Um, first of all, the market this morning identified this zone right here as a key zone for today's trading. You can watch the review video, which will be posted up on the same day, and that'll give the overall analysis of the market and go over why I was watching this area. Basically, what I was looking for was an early morning sell. The market fell away from sort of 6:50 a.m. all the way down, which is what I was looking for, but it just came too early for me. Market opened at 8 a.m. right here. It has pushed up into the zone. We've had one attempt to break at 8:15 a.m. and then the market has broken below. Now this 8:15 a.m. candle is also a signal candle for me. It's pin bar. Basically, with the signal candles, I've been asked this a few times. The automatic identification software, it's down at the bottom, and you can also have it sitting on your chart where it highlights above or below the candle, depending on if it's bearish or bullish. But basically, you can see the red line right here, lining up with the candle. It tells me it fits all the criteria I look for a bearish signal. Now, since the market has rallied up quite strongly like this, normally I would wait before getting into the trade. The reason for that is I want to see the market slowing down a little bit and want to make sure the market isn't just going to continue rallying. The only time I alter that approach is when I have a very key zone, which is exactly what we have today. So 6806 up to sort of 6820 really, and this was identified as a very strong resistance area. Basically, if the market can break above this area, and accept above here, I'm expecting the market to rally another sort of 80 to 90 points. However, whilst below this area, it is strong resistance, so I was happy to get in without waiting for that initial price slowdown. You can see we've had a very strong rally up, and this is the sort of thing I look for. It gives me a little bit of a clue that it's time to wait. Just sit on your hands, wait for the market to slow down, give you a clue that it is willing to reverse. I should also point out that it is US election day. The move up today was not your typical Ftse rally. It was very, very slow, just sort of edged its way up very, very slowly, a point at a time. There was very little pullback, apart from at the initial ATM open, and then it came right up into 6.8, sort of 23, 24. So price action is not moving how it normally does. For that reason, I'm just managing the trade relatively tightly. I'm looking for it to come down into the sort of 6,800 levels, at a minimum. But we'll see how this trade gets on. When the trade completes one way or the other, what I will also do is just jump onto the daily time frame and show you the reason for the analysis. Okay guys, so the market is just starting to come down. It's really in the target area now. So I'm just watching this trade. I will exit at some point on this candle. Okay, so it's holding at around about 12 points. I've closed the trade out. And the reason for closing the trade out there, as you can see, we have an area of congestion, which is likely to see the market bouncing around off of it. The market has been moving very slowly also. This is due to the election. So I'm happy to take those 12 points, call it a day. Okay, so right here is this key area that was identified this morning. Basically, this market has came all the way down, created a triple bottom. We've then gapped up on the FBI news in regards to Hillary Clinton. We've rallied all the way up, and we've rallied straight into this key level of resistance. You can see all the areas where this market has been reacting to this area. It's an important price level. Because of that, I was expecting resistance, That's what I was looking for this morning. That's exactly what I told subscribers to look for. Got the entry, got the trade nice and quick. I wasn't actually too sure we were going to get a trade today with it being the election. You can see the market was moving very slowly, but it came in very nicely. That's what I was looking for, resistance right here, or if the market broke through, I was looking for buy positions with an expectation of this market rallying fairly strongly. Okay guys, so as always, I hope that was helpful. I'm James Orr, and thank you.